So fasting for weight loss, just got out of bed. Fasting for weight loss. I don't know. Going without food for weight loss is good in theory. Fred, can you just show us the physique again? We want to see a physique. Come on, you there? Here we are. Here's a physique. Give us a bit of a turnaround. Do you recommend fasting for weight loss?
No way. I did it. I did in 2007. And bad idea.
Slows your metabolism down, doesn't it?
Yeah, I got fatter than ever the next year. And it's going to catch up. It might be a couple of months or whatever, but it's going to catch up.
Oh, that's cool. Anyway, so what we want to do is I'm going to sit down for this one. I'm going to sit down for this one. So you can see how lean I am. Cycling's about being sinew, muscle, blood, bone, and skin. Nothing else. Fasting for weight loss, bad idea, Andrew. People do it. People do it, and I can't work out why they're going to do it for weight loss. If you've got a health issue, that's sure, it's your personal choice. But fasting for weight loss, which people do all the time, I'll put a link down below. Where one of the fruit guys, Andrew Perlow, recently did a water fast, and he's gained a lot of weight since. And he's going, oh, it's because of the bananas. No, it's because his metabolism has just been like smashed. Whenever you force fast, starvation basically. My opinion of fasting should be if you've got a fever, you don't need to eat. But just going, all right, I'm going to pencil in my diary and I'm not going to eat for a month. And that's fine if you've got a health issue maybe, but that's another topic. But this video is about fasting for weight loss. Fasting for weight loss is one of the most stupid fucking things I can ever think of. But everyone look on YouTube, heaps of people do it. And then they get results for a week or whatever, or a month, but then it comes back, or always comes back. Look at their most recent videos, or they just stop posting videos altogether. Why? Because the weight's all come back. 100% it always does long term. And people say, well, I know someone who didn't. Yeah, because there's a couple examples where someone's gotten really fit and eaten really well. But that's not because of the fasting though. Fasting thrashes your metabolism. It makes you have a slow metabolism. I see it all the time. People go, wow, I'm looking really slim, I fasted. And that's like, well, you're going to get a lot of weight back. You're going to gain all your weight back and then some. Always. What you eat before the fast is what you eat after the fast. Or generally, often people fast and get so fucking hungry, they go back to all the old crap they used to eat. Don't tell anyone about it because they're not proud about it. And they go, oh, the fruit's making me fat or whatever. So I'm assuming Andrew is eating what he says he's eating. I'm assuming that. Most likely he's not. He's eating chicken burgers or whatever. But let's say he is eating the fruit and he's gaining the weight. How that happens is just the fucked up metabolism. Metabolic damage from fasting happens to fitness models all the time. You see full fitness models, guys and girls getting shredded and lean, and then the next day after the competition, poof, they've blown right out again. And the next week and next month, poof, you're like, whoa, are you the same person on that stage or on that magazine cover as are now? Wow, it doesn't look like it. So it doesn't make anyone bad people, it's just a bad choice. Fasting for weight loss, guaranteed you're going to gain all that weight back and then some. 100%. I've seen it in the leanest people who fast and then they just gain a lot of water retention because everything's different there. So if you've got a health issue you want to fast, for sure. Who would I recommend fasting with? Doug Graham, no doubt. I don't recommend fasting for weight loss though. You're going to gain all the weight back. It's going to fuck up your metabolism. You're going to have a month off training.
But a lot of people use the healing excuse, to fast. Even when they just actually want to lose weight.
They just want to lose weight.
So you've got to keep an eye out for that, and that's why they go to...
So if you genuinely have a health issue and you want to fast and you're happy with gaining weight afterwards, that's fine. Do it. Okay? But if you're sort of going, I've got a health issue, but secretly you want to be slim like Freely or lean like me, don't do fasting for weight loss. Eat the fruit and veg lifestyle. Eat the lifestyle we promote. Eat all the calories you want. Live hard. Get your sleep. Get your water. Never restrict your carbohydrate intake. That's not what we teach. We do not teach that. We teach abundance. If you have to eat celery for dinner, you're doing something wrong. And it's not going to be fucking sustainable. We get people all the time going, Harley, well, I eat celery for dinner because I want to eat lean. And then a year later you email them and say, how you doing? Oh, I wasn't getting enough energy on that raw thing or 80-10-10 thing or the 30 bananas a day thing or whatever.